Let's talk about the YouTube updates. Audience segments are now a thing in YouTube Analytics, and they will split the new and returning viewers into more granular categories, which are new viewers, casual viewers, which occasionally watch the channel for 1 to 5 months out of the last 12 months, and regular viewers, which watch the channel more than 6 months out of the last 12 months, which is hard to achieve, apparently. Well, Creator Insider says so. So do expect a lower regular viewer count than a casual viewer count, right? So casual is more available and will be probably your most or your largest audience segment. Let's phrase it like this. The rollout for this started this week. I haven't seen it on any of our channels or on our clients' channels yet, but it should be completed within the next 4 to 6 weeks. So keep an eye out on that. If you have questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Let's stick to the YouTube Studio and YouTube Studio Mobile because we are getting an upgraded comment filter. So instead of the newest comment, where you can now filter by the most relevant content and make that a default. However, it is not changing your defaults, and you can still keep the show me the newest comment first filter as the default. I think this is important for folks that get a lot of comments and a lot of unregulated comments, like unfiltered comments. And yeah, obviously, I do think that it is a good addition for those kinds of creators, and for everyone else, you can just keep using the show me the newest comment first. So I do think giving the creator agency on choosing what their own default setting should be is always a good thing, so this is much appreciated. That's all for today. Thank you very much for stopping by and talking about YouTube updates with me. If you have questions, please feel free to leave them below. It doesn't have to be about today's topic. You can ask any YouTube-related questions. We can make a tutorial guide out of it if needed. And yeah, let's see you next week when we get some more YouTube updates. All right, take care and bye-bye.